Today on Mac's Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making chicken, rice, and vegetable pockets. We're going to wrap it in tortillas, flour tortillas. And we're going to be using our Instant Pot to do it, and the air fryer function to crisp them up and make them really tasty. So let's get started. To make the pockets, you're going to need one celery stick, and we're going to slice it down the middle here. Make sure you watch your fingers. And we're going to do it again. Just make little strips, and then you can go ahead and bunch them together. And cut them up kind of fine. Not real fine, just make sure they're chopped up a little bit. And just keep on chopping. This adds a little crunch to the pocket and all that good stuff that's in there, like the chicken and all. And we can put this in the bowl. Yep, and the bowl goes. Of course, we're going to be cooking that while we're doing other things. Now we're going to take some carrots. Baby carrots here are good too. And we're going to just cut them in half. Watch your fingers when you do that. Right? Alright. I'll just go ahead and chop them up. Yep. Chop them up. Give them a good chopping. Sometimes if you have one of those choppers, you can go ahead and use that. But I didn't feel like getting it out just for 4 little carrots. Would have made things a lot quicker and easier though. So we'll get these in their bowl and we'll put them in the microwave with a little bit of water and a lid, and they should be cooking while we're doing other things here, getting ready for our pockets. Add the water and we'll pop them in the microwave. Open the microwave, put it on. I'm going to do about 7 minutes. Let's see how that turns out. I'll bring them back when they're done. Well, while we're waiting for our vegetables to cook, I'm going to be cutting up a little bit of chicken here for our pockets. Now I think I'm just going to cube it up a little bit, break it up, and we'll see. There should be enough to make at least 2 pockets, so we'll give it a shot. Now this is a chicken that I cooked about a day or so, and it's leftovers, so why not make pockets out of it? Like a nice little sandwich pocket. And we'll do that. And we'll air fry it and crisp it up. It shouldn't take but maybe 10 minutes, the whole thing. So I'll bring you back when we get our vegetables out of the microwave and we start getting ready to do our pockets. Chicken smells good. Okay, the first thing you want to probably do is you're going to get your vegetables, your cooked celery and carrots. They look good. And we're going to put in our chicken. And once that's done, we can add our rice. This is leftover rice, so we don't want to waste it. So we'll put our rice in there. And we'll give that a good mix, right? Mix that around. Get that rice in there with the chicken and the vegetables. And now we're going to do an important step here. We're going to take some water and we're going to soak the edges of our tortillas a little bit. Just rotate it around in there and get her moist around the edge. And then you'll see why later. But then we can add our mixture to this, which is good, and we'll put a little bit in the middle. And what I can see here, I think you can make probably at least 3 of these, but I only have 2, so don't worry, it won't go to waste. And now I'm going to add a piece of cheese. And let's see if we can fold this up without it all coming out. I got a little bit out. Now, since the edges are moist, you can fork them down. And they stick together. Just like that. Now I'm going to add it to the Instant Pot. I'm going to make another one here in a couple minutes and I'll bring you back when I'm done. I'll just add some more to the next one. Mind the hands are definitely washed. There you go. And another piece of cheese. And then we'll fold that over. And we'll see if we can fork it. Stick it shut. Close him up. Yep, now all we got to do is add them to the Instant Pot and air fry them. Okay, let's take the top off the Instant Pot. We don't need this lid, we need the air fryer lid and basket. So we're going to be using the basket. So I'm going to give it a little bit of coat of oil. And I'm going to put those pockets in there and then we'll air fry them up. Okay? Let's give this a little bit of oil. Little spritz. And we'll put them in there and we'll start air frying. Okay, we added the pockets to the air fryer basket. And now all we need to do is put the lid on. And set the time. Okay, now we're going to set our Instant Pot to air fry. And 6, 7, 8 minutes. It might be a little long, but we're going to go for it at 400 degrees. And we're going to hit start. Yep, the Instant Pot Pro Crisp Air Fryer is quiet. Very quiet, actually. It won't wake up the whole house if you should air fry something in the morning. Well, I'll bring you back when it's about ready to start cooking. Right now it's preheating. Okay, it should be almost done preheating. It says add food. So I'm going to raise the lid and put it back on as if I added the food, which is already in there. And there we go. 8 minutes on the clock. And I'm going to check them at 4 minutes. And if they look good, I'll just flip them over. I can always add more time on the clock, or I can cancel if they're getting a little bit too brown. Oh, and crispy. Yep, I'll bring you back in 4 minutes. Well, it's 4 minutes. I'm going to take a peek at them and see how they are, and I'll bring you with me. I'll give you a good view of it. Yep, they look like they're starting to crisp up and brown. I think I'm going to leave them in there just a little bit longer. Maybe I'll add another minute. We'll see. Well, it looks like we got 49 seconds left on the air fryer here. So I left it in there the full 8. I didn't flip them. I was going to flip them, but I kind of peeked under there a little bit, and it looks like they're getting done on both sides real nicely, because them little air holes in that basket seem to be doing good. And I didn't want to take a chance on having them crumble on me or anything like that and fall apart. I wanted you to see it with me when I bring them out of the basket. Okay, 15 seconds left on the clock, and then we'll take a look at it together. Hopefully the cheese is all melted and everything's all nice and warm, and a little bit crunchy on the outside would be good. And that's it. It's done. Okay, let's open the lid here and we'll see what's inside there. Well, hopefully they're nice and just a little bit brownish. And they look to be nice. Yep. Alright, let's get them out of there. Man, they're hot. I can hear them sizzling. Alright. Let's get a better view here. Okay. Let's see if we can get them out of there. Alright. There's one. And there's two. They seem crispy. Let's check them out. I bet you they're hot though. Definitely crispy. Cheese is in there. Oh yeah, they're really crispy and they're hot. I bet you that chicken in there is really good too. I would take a bite of them, but I'm going to tell you something, they're hot. So, there we have it. Instant Pot, air fryer, chicken, rice, and vegetables, and cheese in a pocket. And they're crunchy though. I can hear that. Yep, they're good. They're going to be tasty. Well, friends, that's it for this one. More info is in the description. And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.